Magandang araw, ako po si Mark Lester Lirag at ito po ang aking daily devotion. Sino ba ang tama? Roman, Catholic, o Protestant? Na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 daily devotion. Bible verse po ng araw ay galing sa Ephesians chapter 4 verse 1 to 6. Ang sabi po ay, I therefore, the prisoner of the Lord, beseech you that ye walk worthy of the vocation wherewith ye are called, with all lowliness and meekness, with long suffering, forbearing one another in love, endeavoring to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. There is one body and one Spirit, even as ye are called in one hope of your calling, one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who is above all, and through all, in you all. Ang topic o concept ng araw is tungkol sa historical theology. Ang historical theology ay isang napakagandang paalala na sa atin na ang pananampalataya natin ay hindi lang ngayon nagsimula. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa present church natin o sa kung ano ang makasanayan. It's a study of how believers mula pa sa early church fathers hanggang sa mga reformers, mula sa ancient creeds hanggang sa modern confessions, lahat sila in their time ay nagsikap kilalanin at sambahin ang iisang Diyos. First teaching ngayong araw is, religious people tend to forget love and grace while fighting, even killing over doctrines. Pag iniisip natin ang kasaysayan ng simbahan, nakikita natin na maraming giyera, persecutions at pag-aalitan ang nangyari. At hindi sila naniniwala sa Diyos, kundi dahil iba-iba sila ng interpretasyon. From the Crusades to the Inquisitions to the Protestant Reformation, grabe ang tensyon at galit. Second teaching is, there is beauty in unity amidst diversity within Christianity. Pero kahit na may differences tayo, may kagandahan pa rin. Alam mo yung parang pamilya. Hindi naman porket magkaiba kayo ng ugali o pananaw, hindi na kayo iisa. Sa Christianity, we may differ in form, tradition, or expression, but we are still under one Lord, one faith, and one baptism. Ang last teaching is, the church must preserve the essentials of the faith through the ages. Yung mga non-negotiables like salvation through Christ alone, the Trinity, the authority of Scripture, yan dapat ang pinanghahawakan natin together. The rest, they're important, pero dapat may grace. Hindi natin kailangan i-compromise ang truth, pero hindi rin natin dapat gawin excuse ito para maging mapagmataas o mapangusga. Maging tulad tayo ng mga nauna sa atin, mga taong kahit may pagkakaiba ay nagkaisa sa isang to glorify God and proclaim gospel. Love.